A pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 128,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.